I actually have to capture this because it's not raining. It has been raining for like 6 straight days. There's no rain, and there's actually a little bit of sun out. Freaking amazing. Okay, hi guys. It is Saturday. Happy Saturday. I got up moving this morning. I've already taken the truck to get an oil change. I did a lot of my meal prep, and good morning, good morning. I already had some coffee while I was sitting there waiting for the oil change, so let me just grab a few things. Sorry. And by the way, I have y'all sitting in my cabinet because I forgot my little stand for my camera. So, if that's you're wondering why it looks kind of weird, here's my morning number, and I ran out of the other ones. I'm ordering some for the little keto strip. So that's the number, and I've already got my breakfast pulled together. I am trying to get rid of some of the leftovers, so I'll be working on the leftovers. So here's the sausage. I had sausage left, and I have some chaffles, some sweet chaffles, and it has some sugar-free syrup on it. And that is going to be my breakfast. I'm going to eat that up, and we'll be going right into the meal prep. So I'll see you at the meal prep. Well, it's getting ready for meal prep time, but I went to the store and picked up a few things, so I will show you what I got. I saw this real good piece of bacon wrapped stuffed chicken. I thought I would try it out. The carbs are not too shabby. This grain-free bread, which I was shocked to find, and the macros are not too bad on that either. So actually 1 carb per slice. And this real good cauliflower cheesy bread, little sandwich here from the Real Good People. I thought I would try it out. The carbs are slightly higher than I would like, but if you're not eating a lot of carbs during the day, it could be okay. And this skinny syrup, MCT oil skinny syrup from Jordan. I said I'll give it a try, salted caramel. I found some more of my super coffee. I'm so excited. And more of the Real Good. But I'm mostly excited about the bread. So we're going to actually do a taste testing of the bread, and you'll probably see some of the Real Good in the meal prep. Hi everyone. It is Friday afternoon, and you know what that means. It is time for some meal prep. So what I got going on right here, I have some chicken strips, and let me get my gloves on, if I can get them on the right way. And we're going to get right into it. So yeah, chicken strips right here. I got some seasoning right here. And this is a mixture of whey protein powder and what kind of seasoning I use. 1 second. And I use some of this right here. So what I am going to do is kind of make sure it is kind of coated really well. The chicken is coated really well in this. And yeah, and go from there. So I'm trying to make sure every piece is somewhat coated in it before I start cooking it. Okay, they look pretty coated to me. So what we're going to do is get our pan ready so that we can start cooking them up. And I will be right back once everything is set up. Okay, we are ready to get the chicken strips going. The pan is hot and we have our strips right here. And I'm not going to fill it too full because I want it to have enough room in between. Okay, we got the strips in and they're cooking. So I'm going to say at least 3 to 4 minutes on each side, and they should be done. I will check in with you a little bit later. Okay, this is what they're looking like. Hope you can see this. Nice and golden. So this first batch is done. I will be continuing on with the next batch. So, see you in a bit. Okay, and here it is. The chicken strips. Now let's go on to the next project. Okay, this is our next project, and it's kind of a little sad project right here. I went to the store and the jalapenos were not that great. They were so small. So look at this. So this is what we're working with, and I'm going to deal with it. I have quite a few. No, I don't have quite a few of them. I have a few of them. And what I plan to do is to use this cheese and fill some with cheese and then wrap them up in the bacon. So let's get to it. And let's see, we're going to get it, see if we can get it nice and tight. Also, we don't want the cheese to bubble out too much. And it will look like this. So I'm going to finish the rest of them and I will be back. Okay, and this is what they look like. Also to this pan, as you saw earlier from my very mini haul, I'm going to add the Real Good Foods to them. The stuffed chicken. And let's see. Yeah, they're both chicken. So one is pepper jack cheese. And the other one is roasted poblano, creamy jack cheese. So let me get these opened up and we're going to put them in the pan here. Okay, and this is what they look like. They're a nice size, 3 carbs apiece. And it's going to go into the oven at 365 for about 25 minutes. And we will revisit it then. So I will be back. Okay, everything is done and it turned out, hope you can see this, lovely. So we're going to continue on with some more food prep. Okay, this is going to actually complete out the meal prep here. I have some ready-made burgers. These are the Kirkland burgers, and they're grass-fed burgers, so you can see them. And the only seasoning I'm going to put on them is Johnny's, and they're going to actually go in the oven. So I had already started, and I forgot I needed to turn the camera back on. So this side is seasoned, so I'm just going to be flipping them over so that I can season the other side. And just FYI, I did cook bacon on this pan, so let's get them flipped. And I need to wash my hands. My hands washing really quick. And we're going to season this side of them. And I'm not going to put too much because they're kind of somewhat flavorful. To be bland burgers, they're somewhat flavorful. Okay, and again, they're going in the oven, 350 until they're done. And I will show you the final product. Okay, here they are. Here are the burgers. Okay, I am out and about again. You probably can't see this very well. It looks like a little river, but that river is not supposed to be here. That's supposed to be all dry farmland, and it's nothing but a gigantic river. This is unbelievable. I cannot believe what I'm seeing. Okay, I'm out driving around. I will check back in a little bit later. Okay, we're driving and this road is completely flooded. It started back to raining. This is freaking unreal. It's flooded. Now, we were thought, well, maybe we could try to get through it, but this looks pretty deep. So, turning around, going the other direction. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, people, we are either very brave or very crazy or stupid. We're going to go through the water. We're going to see what happens. Hopefully we won't get stuck, and I want to have you guys come get us out. But here we go. Oh, this is crazy. Oh my God. This is freaking crazy. Look at all this. Wow. Good job, LMA. Oh, we did it! We did it! We did it! Oh my God, we did it. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, people, we stopped at a Mexican place. After going through all that water, we decided we needed a bite to eat before we continue our journeys and looking at flood zones. Some people chase storms and all that stuff. We're chase flooding. So we're getting a bite. So what I have here is it's a fajita salad. So yeah, there's avocado, tomato, the beef and onion and all that good stuff. And I'll probably be taking half of this home because it's a lot. Alrighty, I'll check in a little bit later. Well, hi everyone, I am back to wrap things up. It's been a really full day. I did most of my meal prepping yesterday, so that was out of the way, but getting out and trying to have a little bit of fun and end up being, what did I call it? I guess flood chasers. So, yeah, and you saw we went through that big puddle of water, so we made it. But I am going to wrap things up, and I thank you guys so much. I appreciate you so much for just coming back to watch my journey. Please don't forget to comment below, thumbs up the video, and I will be back for another day of full eating. The next day will be Monday, which is my Meaty Monday, so stay tuned for all of that. And I will be seeing you guys later. Mwah. Bye-bye.